Recovering data in a Capsule CRM is a relatively straightforward process. This can be necessary when running an online business with multiple assistants, as accidental deletions of contacts or deals can occur. To begin the recovery process, start by logging into the Capsule account and navigating to the home screen. From there, click on the profile name at the top right corner, which will prompt a drop-down menu. Select Account Settings from this menu, and then scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. A trash button will be visible, indicating that deleted records are automatically held for 30 days and can be restored. Clicking on the trash button will display all deleted records within the Capsule CRM. To restore a specific record, simply locate the desired data and click the Restore button. A pop-up notification will appear, stating that the record is being restored, and an email notification will be sent upon completion. The restoration process is typically quick, and an email from the Capsule CRM will confirm when the data has been successfully restored. To verify, refresh the screen, and the previously deleted record should no longer be in the trash, indicating a successful recovery. Overall, this method provides an easy way to recover accidentally deleted data in a Capsule CRM.